Hey guys, Joe here with Think Small Porsche and VW. If you're new to the channel, I rebuild air-cooled Porsche and VW engines. I've been doing it for a little while now, and I'm going to be going over how I got started and kind of what I do, and also where I'd like to see this business go. Now, what got me started in the Volkswagen world, my first car was a 1965 Volkswagen Beetle. It was my first car. And when I was 17, the engine needed rebuilt. It had no oil pressure. So I was like, well, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna pay $5,000 to have it rebuilt. So I'll try it. So my grandpa, he started me out, got me going, kind of showed me what to do. He was an aircraft mechanic. And I wanted to do the rest on my own, kind of figure out, learn it, and do it for myself. So it ended up taking me 3 different times. I had to pull the engine 3 times out of my car before I got it right. 2 piston sets, 2 camshafts, 2 follower sets, 2 oil pumps. It was a learning experience, but I wouldn't take it back. I learned so much on that 1200cc engine. And here I am now. I've rebuilt 13 engines, one of them being a 1959 Porsche. So that's how I got started. I literally started on the back tailgate of my truck. Since then, I've really been trying to focus on my system and being as efficient as possible and keep track of parts. I'm building an inventory so I don't have to order on demand. I have a complete 1600cc kit on my shelf right now. So if I get one in, I clean it, and I can put it back together within probably a week. Depending on machine shops, that takes some time. And I've gotten the system down fairly well. You can always be more efficient and better skilled, but definitely a lot better than when I did my first engine. Like I said, 3 times. 3 times and $4,000 in parts. But like my parents always said, it's like going to college. And now I'm making something of it. And I really enjoy doing it, and I could see myself doing this long term. We'll see where it goes. Right now, I've rebuilt quite a few engines for other people. A few of those engines I've done for myself. I currently have 11 engines in my shop that need rebuilt. Once you start rebuilding engines, they kind of find you. Over 2 years, I've gotten 11 engines that I've found on Marketplace, or a customer brought to me as a core. So those are next in line. So I will be definitely putting out some more videos on those. So do not miss out on that. I have 3 1500 cc's, 3 1600 cc's, and a few 40 horse, and a few 36 horses. So not gonna wanna miss out on that. I like to put out videos once a week. Hopefully, depending on if I have the parts. Sometimes I do have to order specialized parts. Like right now, currently, I'm rebuilding a 36 horse, and I do not carry the parts on that because they are expensive, and I don't want to keep them on my shelf. I don't get enough of them in. 1600s are my most common engine that I rebuild. There's a lot of them out there, for sure. 40 horse is my second engine. I've done 3 of them now. And then the 36 horse. I would like to get more into the 356 engine world. It's extremely expensive. Parts are around $4,000 my cost to rebuild one. That's before machine work. So that's a whole nother level. But I did my last engine. I did that one. That's my personal engine. And it was a great learning experience. I did a few videos on the Porsche versus the Volkswagen. They're very similar in DNA, but they are quite a bit different actually. It's pretty fascinating. So be sure to check out those videos. Be sure to subscribe. Like I said, I got quite a few of the engines that I'm working on and will be working on in the future. So don't miss out. Always something happening around here. So, all right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.